Title of the video: Illustrating Division of Functions Using Algebraic Tiles with Braille Codes and Function Machine made of tactile materials. In the previous videos, you had learned to add, subtract, and multiply functions using Function Machine. Now, let's discuss the division of function. In definition, let f and g be functions. Their quotient, denoted by f over g, is the function denoted by the quantity of f over g x, which is equal to f of x over gx. We have the given functions. We have hx, which is equals to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5, and gx is equals to 2x minus 1. In our examples, we need to determine the following functions. Number 1, we have the quantity of h over g, x. And for number 2, we have the quantity of h over g, where x is equals to 3. Given the function, the quantity of h over g, x, we need to input the first value of hx, which is equals to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Also, we need to input the value of our gx function, which is equals to 2x minus 1. Then we have 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 divided by 2x minus 1 is equal to x plus 5. Now we will solve for the second function, the quantity of h over g, where x is equals to 3. First, we need to input 3 to the hx function, which is 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. That will be 2 times 3 squared plus 9 times 3 minus 5 is equals to 40. Then we need to input 3 to the gx function, which is 2x minus 1. That will be 2 times 3 minus 1 is equals to 5. Next, we need to input 3 to our h over g x function, which is x plus 5. That will be 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Let us check our function. So we have hx is equals to 40 divided by gx, which is equals to 5. Therefore, the quotient of hx and gx is equals to 8. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next video.